The 48 Laws of Power by Robert Greene. Law 8. Mastering Control. The Art of Making Others Come to You. In Robert Greene's The 48 Laws of Power, Law 8, Make Other People Come to You, Use Bait if Necessary, unravels the strategic power play involved in controlling situations by luring others into your territory. This law, illustrated through historical events and strategic minds, delves into the psychology of power, emphasizing the importance of maintaining control, mastering emotions, and using bait as a potent tool. Napoleon's Island Escape, a masterstroke by Talleyrand. The narrative unfolds at the Congress of Vienna in 1814, where European powers gathered to dismantle Napoleon's fallen empire. Despite being exiled to the island of Elba, Napoleon's boldness continued to unsettle Europe. Talleyrand, his former minister, emerged as a key player, subtly orchestrating events to crush Napoleon. Talleyrand's masterful manipulation lured Napoleon into escaping, only to have him exiled again after a brief return to power. This historical account highlights the power of making others come to you, brilliantly executed by Talleyrand. Understanding the essence of power, Greene shifts focus to the timeless pattern of leaders initiating bold moves that initially grant them power, but eventually lead to their downfall. The reason behind this recurring pattern lies in the misconception that aggressive action equates to effective action. The key to true power, as per Greene, is keeping the initiative, making others react to your moves, and staying in control. This strategic approach involves mastering emotions and using others' natural tendencies to react to your advantage. Talleyrand's subtle mastery, playing the long game. Talleyrand's skillful execution of making others come to him is analyzed in depth. Rather than pushing his opinion at the Congress of Vienna, he bided his time, ultimately winning over key foreign ministers. Talleyrand's trap for Napoleon involved exploiting the emperor's weaknesses, impetuosity, and desire for glory. By setting the perfect trap, Talleyrand ensured control over the time and place of action, leading to Napoleon's downfall. This historical example serves as a lesson in the art of power, emphasizing the importance of patience and subtlety, strategic deception, and the sweetness of bait. Greene introduces the concept of making opponents operate in your territory, inducing nervousness and potential mistakes. Deception and the illusion of control are powerful tools, exemplified by stories such as the Russo-Japanese War, where false information and strategic bait led to a decisive victory for the Japanese. The sweetness of the bait, Greene argues, blinds enemies to reality, allowing the strategist to control their actions without them realizing it. Learning from historical masters, Filippo Brunelleschi and Daniel Drew. The narrative explores historical figures like Filippo Brunelleschi, who, when faced with an unfavorable situation, strategically made others come to him, ultimately achieving his goals. The story of Daniel Drew, a stock market manipulator, further illustrates the effectiveness of letting others dig their own graves. These examples reinforce the idea that the art of making others come to you extends beyond politics into various arenas of life. Authority and reversal, emptying opponents and striking suddenly. Quoting an 11th century commentator on the art of war, Greene underscores the principle of inducing opponents to come to you to render their force empty. The narrative also introduces the concept of reversal, where striking suddenly and aggressively can demoralize enemies and force them to react on your terms. The choice between making others come to you and striking suddenly depends on factors like time, strength, and the strategic landscape. In conclusion, Law 8 in The 48 Laws of Power unveils the art of making others come to you as a strategic masterpiece. By mastering emotions, employing bait, and controlling the narrative, individuals can navigate the complex dynamics of power. The historical examples and strategic insights presented by Greene provide a roadmap for those seeking to wield power effectively and maintain control in various aspects of life.